why your launch flopped, and how to fix it. Over the next 3 minutes, I'm gonna have a chat to you about why your launch flopped, how to fix it, and what you can do moving on from here. So for those of you that don't know me, I am Sarah Lyons, the creator of the Goddess Alchemy Academy, and I help spiritual entrepreneurs to scale their sacred work to 5-figure months through launching. Okay, now I wanna have a chat to you about why your launch flopped. I've worked with many women in the field, healers, coaches, mystics, Reiki masters, intuitives, all the things. And the key issues I see here when we look at why a launch flopped was we didn't have enough leads signing up to the free event. And then also we didn't close sales once the event was over. Okay, so first of all, you need to have there's a specific calculation I use with my clients. If you want that, let me know below and I'm happy to give it to you. And it's a really beautiful way to work out, let's say the industry standard is 3%. Let's say you have 100 people signing up to your free event and your offer is about $1,000 for your program. Okay, that's a $10,000 launch. That's a 5-figure launch just for having 100 people come to your free event. What I love about this is it saves you doing 100 sales calls in the month when you can do it all in the one event. Okay, so it saves so many hours. I work only 2 hours a day myself and I own a 6-figure business and I raised a special needs child. Okay, so back to you. Biggest reason I see them flop is you didn't get the signups to your free event. Okay, so when you're organizing a launch, you need people to launch too. So 10 or 20 people isn't going to cut it. It can be done if you are fully in alignment and really niched down and you serve your heart out and you close sales in a really beautiful way. Yes, it can happen. But the industry standard, like I said, is 3%. So you really need the numbers to your event. And this comes down to your marketing and your messaging and your client attraction. A lot of this is energy and mindset. And then of course there's the strategy. Okay, so I'm wondering for you, what do you think might be lacking on getting your people to your free event? I typically allow 2 weeks for that process to get my signups. I usually get roughly maybe 300 and all of my launches are 5 figures. Okay, I've also had 5-figure launches on less than 150 people. Okay, but you get people into that space through your messaging, through your content, through your attraction. Okay, so if you have any questions about that, pop them below. I'm happy to give you my launch calculator if you want to work out how much your offer is, how many signups you'll need to your launch. Okay, it all starts there. It all starts in the pre-launch. It is so important. All right, so let me know if that's landing for you. And like I said, the other problem I see is clients think once they've put their free event out there, the signups should come. Yeah, it can happen. But again, if we're not connecting with our audience, especially as spiritual entrepreneurs, if we're not connecting heart to heart with our audience once it's over, then we're going to wonder why there's no sales. Okay, you are leaving thousands of dollars on the table. I can promise you, when you reach out to the people that attended your event, you can hold space for them. You can answer questions. You can handle objections in a really beautiful way with them to get that soulful sale is what I call them. All right. So again, if you have any questions, let me know and I'll see you in the next video.